Welcome. What is logarithmic scale? What is exponential growth? Logarithmic scale. A logarithmic scale is a way of displaying numerical data over a very wide range of values in a compact way. Typically, the largest numbers in the data are hundreds or even thousands of times larger than the smallest numbers. Such a scale is nonlinear. The numbers 10 and 20 and 90 and 100 are not the same distance apart on a log scale. Rather, the numbers 10 and 100 and 100 and 1000 are equally spaced. Thus, moving a set distance along the scale means the number has been multiplied by 10. Often exponential growth curves are displayed on a log scale, otherwise they would increase too quickly to fit within a small graph. Another way to think about it is that the number of digits of the data grows at a constant rate. The numbers 10, 100, 1000, and 10,000 are equally spaced on a log scale, but the number of digits is going up by 1 each time: 2, 3, 4, and 5 digits. In this way, adding 2 digits multiplies the quantity measured on the log scale by a factor of 100. There are two main reasons to use logarithmic scales in charts and graphs. The first is to respond to skewness towards large values, i.e., cases in which one or a few points are much larger than the bulk of the data. The second is to show percent change or multiplicative factors. The equation 10 raised to power 2 is equal to 100 can be rewritten as log 100 is equal to 2 for base 10, and pronounced log to the base 10 of 100 is 2. The common base for logarithmic scales is the base 10. Exponential growth. Exponential growth is a specific way that a quantity may increase over time. It occurs when the instantaneous rate of change of a quantity with respect to time is proportional to the quantity itself. Described as a function, a quantity undergoing exponential growth is an exponential function of time, that is, the variable representing time is the exponent. If the constant of proportionality is negative, then the quantity decreases over time and is said to be undergoing exponential decay instead. In the case of a discrete domain of definition with equal intervals, it is also called geometric growth or geometric decay, since the function values form a geometric progression. A virus typically will spread exponentially at first, if no artificial immunization is available. Each infected person can infect multiple new people. Rice on a chessboard. According to an old legend, Vizier Sisibend Dahir presented an Indian king Shahram with a beautiful, handmade chessboard. The king asked what he would like in return for his gift, and the courtier surprised the king by asking for 1 grain of rice on the first square, 2 grains on the second, 4 grains on the third, etc. The king readily agreed and asked for the rice to be brought. All went well at first, but the requirement for 2 and 1 grains on the nth square demanded over 1,000,000 grains on the 21st square. More than 1,000,000 or trillion on the 41st, and there simply was not enough rice in the whole world for the final squares. What is logarithmic scale? What is exponential growth? Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.